a very exciting day for everyone as we recognize and celebrate the groundbreaking for Rehrig Pacific's new 260,000 square foot facility here in Buckeye. Rehrig Pacific joins a rapidly growing list of companies who have chosen Buckeye to call their home. With such a talented and growing workforce here in Buckeye, it's no surprise.
When we make a decision like this, when we're to site a plant, it's important to be in a place that's a great community. And I think we found that. We've got great partners that have led us to this spot. That's what we're here for, is to be part of a great community, and we found that in Buckeye, and it's awesome to have this opportunity to build in a great place.
Creativity is thinking new things. Innovation is doing things. This quote by economist Theodore Levitt is how I describe Rehrig Pacific Company. Thank you for choosing Buckeye to relocate and expand your business and enhancing our residents' quality of life. And we look forward to a long, successful relationship with you all here and hope you prosper here in the city of Buckeye.
We look forward to seeing this facility fully operational and very successful for years and years to come.